face back towards that area.
That hit the ground.
Yeah, just keep an eye out over here too.
No, I think we're okay.
That's the action area. There's a funnel right there. A cone funnel right there. Right there is a cone.
It went off to the left here somewhere, so I wanted to be able to, see towards that direction.
Good thing they got out of there. That thing was coming right out.
Yeah.
It went off across the road.
Oh, look right there. Look right there.
Hit those trees that are next to us across the road.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
What about off to the right?
No, it's right here.
Right here. Right here is the spot, guys.
Oh.
To the right is not the spot. This is the spot to the left. Cone funnel coming down there.
Wow. Yeah,
Coming down.
It is coming down. And it's right there. I think it's too dark.
Across to the left there.
Tornado! It's on the ground! It's on the ground! Watch the road! Watch the road, man! Watch the road!
It looks like it's going to be on the ground any minute. You might want to back
It's
up.
there! It's on the ground!
Holy shit.
It is on the ground!
Emergency vehicle behind us.
We're not moving out of the way.
You need to go forward here.
Oh, my damn camera's in the back too. Doggone it. Tornado!
Cone tornado on the ground at 9 o'clock.
Easy, watch the ruts, man. You gotta stay in the ruts.
Watch him. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's big.
I'm getting some good pictures.
Dude, I hope so.
Oh, holy crap.
Wow, this thing's big.
Are we?
You know what? Let's just get past these sprinklers and stop for a second. Let this guy get around us. Significant tornado.
It's a large cone tornado at 9 o'clock.
Magnificent. Here, kind of pull off on the shoulder. Let this guy get past us.
Come down the road yet?
Yeah, just stop right here.
Parked out on the highway. It's a couple hundred yards that are 9 o'clock.
Stop right here. Stop right here.
Going down again.
Holy crap, look at that thing. Oh, substantial cone tornado.
Finally.
Well, this was a surprise.
This was a big surprise.
Sorry.
God, I hope it didn't hit anything over there.
Right now, most of that's over. It's going to be hard to figure out where it went.
Yeah.
The one we had about 2 or 3 days ago wasn't too awful big, but it came within about 5 yards of the house.
Oh my goodness. Here comes the RFD wrapping around it. What a surprise! What an amazing surprise! Look at that! Oh, it's roping out! Roping out! Oh my God, Brad, can you believe this shit?
I cannot believe that it did this. And of course, I ran out of tape right as it was doing this.
Oh no.
Well, I got the start of it though.
We got our Colorado tornado! Oh my God.
What a beauty. You're in the field and we're sitting there like, oh my goodness, that's coming down.
When you holler at me.
I did. We were yelling, funnel!
Oh. My goodness, look at the rope out.
Roping out here.